Green tea or coffee? A question as old as time. Each has its own fan base, but today, we dive into why you might want to choose green tea over your morning joe. Both beverages are a staple in many households and are often associated with various health benefits. So, are you team coffee or team green tea? Let's uncover the facts. Coffee, a morning ritual for many. But is there a cost to this caffeinated kickstart? Now let's spill the beans on the darker side of our beloved brew. While coffee is known for its ability to perk up mornings, it's also linked to some concerning health issues. Firstly, the high caffeine levels. Yes, it's the caffeine that gives us that much-needed jolt, but too much of it can lead to jitteriness, increased heart rate, and even potential for addiction. Secondly, coffee consumption can disrupt our sleep cycles, turning those sweet dreams into sleepless nights. And let's not forget the potential digestive issues. For some, coffee can trigger acid reflux or stomach discomfort. It's a bitter truth to swallow, but it's important to be aware of these potential side effects. So, coffee might not be the morning miracle we all thought. It might just be time to consider an alternative brew. Enter green tea, a beverage with a history as rich as its flavor. This ancient drink, steeped in tradition, isn't just soothing and refreshing. It's also packed with a variety of health benefits that give it an edge over its caffeinated counterpart, coffee. Firstly, green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These substances combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer, but its benefits don't stop there. Green tea has also been associated with improved brain function. Components like caffeine and L-theanine work together to enhance brain activity, improve mood, and increase alertness. Lastly, if you're looking at managing your weight, green tea may be your ally. It's been suggested that the catechins in green tea can boost metabolism and fat burning, potentially aiding in weight loss. Green tea seems to be the healthier choice, but is there more to the story? You might be wondering, is green tea really better than coffee? Well, let's take a look at the findings from a research study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association. The study followed over 40,000 Japanese participants for 11 years and discovered that those who drank 5 or more cups of green tea per day had a significantly lower risk of dying from heart disease and stroke than those who drank less than 1 cup. Now let's turn to the experts. Dr. Andrew Weil, a well-known physician and author, advocates for green tea as a healthier choice over coffee. He highlights how green tea contains theanine, an amino acid that has a calming effect and counteracts the jittery feeling often associated with coffee consumption. Moreover, green tea has been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a condition often exacerbated by excessive coffee drinking. So, when it comes to promoting overall well-being, the evidence is clear: green tea takes the crown. So, what have we learned? We've delved into coffee's hidden health concerns and discovered the unique benefits of green tea. From its antioxidants to brain function boosters and weight management properties, green tea clearly outshines coffee. Green tea, it's more than just a tea, it's a lifestyle. Are you ready to make the switch? Why not brew a cup of green tea today and start reaping its many benefits? It's time to prioritize your health, and this simple change could make a world of difference. Share your green tea experiences or thoughts in the comments below. And remember, your health is your wealth.